Hey guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created two very different looks. They are kind of the same colors, but one is definitely a little bit more beginner friendly and a little bit more wearable, and the second one is a lot more artistic and a lot more complex and definitely for someone with a little bit more experience. So I just thought it would be really fun to create two different type of looks in one tutorial, one for beginners and one for advanced makeup artists. And I just think that it was really fun for me to create these two looks. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved both of these looks, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And we are going to jump right into look number one. And this is look number one right here. Definitely a little bit more wearable. A lot more wearable, I should say. I love cranberry tones. And this look is definitely really easy to achieve, so I feel like anybody can do it. You just need to be using the correct brushes. So I'm going to show you guys my tips and tricks on how I achieved this look and what type of brushes I use to achieve this look. So first thing I'm doing is priming my lid, and I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. And for today's palette, for the first look, I'm using my Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palettes. And first thing I'm doing is jumping into this light salmon color, and I'm just buffing this into my crease with a fluffy brush and just kind of rounding out that crease. And then jumping right into my angled brush, I'm going to be picking up this dark burgundy shade, and I'm just going to start to add a line of definition above my natural crease. And this is definitely going to give us a little bit more dimension. And then grabbing a small tapered brush, see how it's tapered at the end, so you definitely have more control over where you're going to be blending out that line. It's going to give us a lot more definition and precision. And then going back into my big fluffy brush to diffuse the edges. And since we are doing two different looks, I'm going to kind of go through each step a little bit quicker than I would if I just did it in one full tutorial. But I think that this type of video is going to be helpful so that you guys can learn more information in a shorter amount of time and learn how to do more looks in a shorter amount of time. So I just carved my lid with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. And then I'm going in with this flat brush and this beautiful rose gold shade in the palette, and I'm just packing that all over the lid. And then with another small tapered brush, I'm going into that dark burgundy shade, and I'm just kind of packing that onto the inner corner and then feathering it inward. And that's the best way I find to get a pigmented but blended look, is just to really pack it on and then feather it in. For lashes, I applied my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. For my inner waterline, I just applied an eye pencil by Urban Decay in the shade Lucky. And then I'm just doing the same steps that I applied in the crease onto the lower lash line. So first the light salmon shade and then the dark burgundy shade. And then I went back into that light salmon shade just to help us blend it out even more. And then going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my lower lashes, I applied my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlighter on my inner corner, and then I ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then through my brow. And this is the finished look for look number one. Also guys, go ahead and leave a comment down below which look you like better, look number one or look number two. So yeah, we're just going to be jumping right into look number two, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that one. So this is look number two, and honestly I had an inspirational picture by Raquel on Instagram, I think is her name, or Makeup Raquel. I'll leave her IG handle down below. But if you guys watched my icy blue cut crease that had a very similar glitter liner on the outer corner like this one, that one was also inspired by her, and I was kind of intimidated by looking at it, but after I created this kind of technique a couple times, I'm a lot more comfortable creating it. So I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to do it. First, I just primed my lids with my Too Faced concealer, and then I jumped into my ABH Rivera palette, and I'm just buffing coastline into my crease with a fluffy brush and really kind of winging out that outer corner since we are going to be doing a cat eye type of look. And then I'm picking up my angled brush and the shade Bahamas, and then just kind of drawing that line in my crease, and then going in with a small tapered brush, going in left and right motions with some more of that coastline shade. And then once I feel like it's blended enough, I go in with a little bit more Bahamas and just really precisely apply that into my crease just to blend out that line. And then I'm going in with my angled brush and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Fair, and just using that to carve my lid. And then I grabbed this really small brush and the really light salmon shade to help me set the lid. And then going back into my really small tapered brush, I'm going into the shade Bahamas once again and just really laying that down, patting it onto the outer corner and then feathering it inwards. And then going into the shade Canes with a pencil brush and just kind of patting that onto the outer corner as well, making sure that it's really nice and blended into that Bahamas shade. And then I'm going into this ABH glitter in the shade Blazing Sunset, and I'm just kind of patting that onto my outer lid. It's not necessarily right in the center of my lid, it's kind of like off center, more towards the outer corner. And then what I did was I peeled off my tape and I applied it a very small gap in between where I had laid it down and then where I applied it. And then I just kind of buffed out that Bahamas shade with a fluffy brush. And then I laid down a line of glitter glue by Too Faced, and then over that line of glitter glue I just applied my ABH Blazing Sunset glitter. And then I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bali lashes. A lot of you guys ask about our lashes. The link to purchase our lashes is always in the description box down below. And then doing the same thing that I did in the crease. So first I went in with Coastline, and then I'm going in with Bahamas with a really flat brush. And then with a really small angled brush, I'm using that purple shade and just kind of applying that onto the outer corner. And then I'm applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then applying the same inner corner highlight, the Subtle Sunrise shade by Pixie Beauty. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you guys liked this kind of style video, just so that I could just cram 2 looks in one video and just show you guys how to create multiple different looks. As always, guys, leave any recommendations on what you guys want to see in the comment section down below. So the giveaway winner for the month of April is going to be I Love Catrice05. I will leave a screenshot of her name right here. But yeah, girl, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you guys want to be entered for the next giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!